So see, whenever we are writing any data in maths, okay, we will come across two types of information. Okay, some constant information means something that has fixed value, 2 minus 5, 3 by 7, 5,000, 10,000, 1 lakh. All these are fixed values, fixed countable values, right? And the other type of information is basically going to be variables, okay, whose values are not fixed, like for example changing values, x, a, p, delta, theta, some symbols which we use to represent changing values. Okay, these are called as variables. So when you combine these two constants and variables into one, okay, we form expressions. Okay, I'll demonstrate how. So suppose your age is x number of years, so 9 times your age is 9 multiplied by x. So x being a variable, 9 being a constant, their combination gives you 9 times x, that is 9 times your age. Similarly, if I say 4 more than 9 times your age, आपकी 9 times के age से 4 ज़्यादा, 9x was 9 times your age, उससे 4 ज़्यादा means plus 4. So 9x plus 4 is 9 times your age plus 4. 4 more than 9 times your age. Going on further, okay, 4 more than 9 times the square of your age. So if your age is x, the square of your age will be x square. Okay, 9 times that will be 9 into x square. उससे 4 ज़्यादा, so 9x square plus 4. Okay. Okay, guys. So now we'll understand types of expressions in detail. There are two ways to classify expressions, and that is first being the number of variables. Okay, if this expression has only one variable, okay, I've given some examples for that. It is x square, 2x square, 3x square, right? 7y plus 2, 11z square plus 3z raised to 1 plus 9. Okay, there are different powers of the variable, but if you observe all the examples, x raised to 1, 3x square, 7y plus 2, all of them contain exactly one variable. Right now, there are certain expressions with double variables, like two variables. Okay, you can see here x raised to 1 plus y raised to 1, 3x square plus y square plus 1, 7y square plus 2, x raised to 1. Okay, these are some examples of expressions having two variables. There are certain expressions which have three variables, like if you have x square plus y plus 3z. Okay, this is three variables. Okay, so an expression can contain n number of variables. Okay, if it contains exactly one term, okay, that is like x raised to 1 or 3x square, it is called as a monomial, right? If it contains two terms, 7y plus 2 or maybe x plus 5, these are called as, or even 7x square plus 2x, 7y square plus 2x, these are called as binomials. It has two terms, bi. Okay, trinomial contains three terms, so ये 1 2 3, 11z square plus 3z raised to 1 plus 9, it's a trinomial. 3x square plus y square plus 1 is a trinomial, right? So likewise, any particular expression which has n number of terms, it's called as a polynomial. Okay, we'll also understand one more way of viewing polynomials. We'll see how. The second way of looking at expressions is the highest power of their variables. Okay, so if a polynomial has exactly 1 as the highest power of the variable, it is a linear equation. Okay, we'll study the linear equations in detail in this lecture. And if the highest power is 2, it's a quadratic equation. Okay, like 11 raised to 11y square, 3x square plus 5x plus 6, 9a square plus 14ab plus 4b square. All the expressions given here, guys, these have their highest power of the variables as 2 if you observe, because 7a square, 3x square, 4b square, right? So these are basically called as quadratic expressions. Cubic expressions or cubic polynomials will have exactly 3 as the highest power, 7a cube, 4x cube, right? Quartic polynomials or quartic expressions will have highest power as 4. Okay, likewise, okay, an expression which has n as the highest power of the variable, it is simply called as a polynomial. Okay, so what exactly do you do when you combine polynomials and the equal to sign? You basically form equations. Okay,